I'm Colin McClellan, Editor-in-Chief of the Northern Miner. Today with me I have Chad Williams, Non-Executive Chairman of Honey Badger Silver. Morning, Chad. How are you doing? And can you tell me what might be the elevator pitch for Honey Badger Silver?
I'm doing great, Colin, and thank you, and it's a pleasure to be here. Honey Badger, it's a very simple story. First thing, we are not a mining company. There are 3,500 listed mining companies, and we're a very different kind of company. I'd like investors or your audience to think of us as effectively an active silver ETF. And what I mean by that is we've been very busy over the last couple of years putting together a silver asset base. We have 7 silver assets. We have 40 million ounces of silver, right. Almost 2 billion pounds of zinc, by the way. And we put these assets together because what we're doing is creating an investment vehicle. Wayne Gretzky, a very famous hockey player, said, "Don't go where the puck is, go where the puck is going to be." Right. So we're anticipating a much higher price in silver. We think silver is going to go well over $100. By the way, I'm obsessed with silver. I love silver. And so we think that when silver hits $100 an ounce or more, investors, probably U.S. retail investors, will want a small cap silver investment vehicle, and we hope that that will be Honey Badger.
Can you tell us how the price is going to go that high? What are the driving factors? Now, we've got industry and some aspects of it as well as retail, right? Can you go into those sides of the investment?
Sure. I'm bullish on silver, or we're bullish on silver for many, many reasons. But in summary, on the supply-demand side, the fundamental side, more silver is consumed every year than is produced, and it's been like that for decades. Okay, so that's very positive. And so that silver has to come from somewhere, and it's being destocked and consumed. It will never come back. That's on the one hand. On the other hand, silver is a financial instrument, and our belief, and it's not just us, but a lot of people think that the world is financially unstable, and things are going to unravel. They're unraveling as we speak. It goes slowly, and then it goes very quickly. And at some point, people, investors, will start to demand and really want some financial stability vehicle, and we think silver is that vehicle. Gold is amazing. Gold is great, but it's also $2,700 an ounce. Right. And as an individual, as a retail investor, that's a lot of money. And I think they will prefer to own an ounce of silver, which is $32 an ounce, and they will gravitate to silver. Silver has a lot of beneficial characteristics, again, not just as a commodity, but as a financial instrument.
You have quite a background in finance and financing. Can you tell us a bit about that and how it's informing your choices with Honey Badger?
Sure. I mean, the first thing is, I had a newspaper route as a kid in the 80s, and I bought a lot of silver when the Hunt brothers were cornering silver. Wow. And I made a lot of money, but I didn't sell it. And so, of course, I lost a lot of money. And it was, there's a saying, education costs money, and that was a good education. Fast forward a little bit. I was a top-ranked mining analyst, and I've worked in investment banking. I ran a mining company, and of note, lately I started a mining finance company called Red Cloud. And so we do, at Red Cloud, we do more mining financings than anybody. We cover more mining stocks than anybody. We trade mining stocks. I mean, we are, in terms of small cap mining, no one comes close to our market share. So we, as a founder of that, I see lots of ideas, lots of stories, and I have a very intimate knowledge of what's going on in mining finance. And I can tell you that we have a long ways to go in the sense that retail investors, and let's be honest, there's no reason for them to invest in mining when they can be making money in Bitcoin, in NVIDIA, in Tesla. I get that. Right. But at some point, if those investment vehicles falter, then I think they will gravitate to more tangible assets. Gold has been popular for thousands of years, same with silver, and I think they will go back to that.
Great. Just to wrap up, 15 seconds, top 3 takeaways about Honey Badger Silver.
Sure. The number one is we're not a mining company. We're a
Right.
silver asset company. And, you know, I own 25% of this company because I believe silver, I want to make money. And I believe silver is going higher. And I think Honey Badger is the best investment vehicle for that. And that's what I think. So I think investors, we have 40 million ounces of silver, a couple of billion pounds of zinc, and we're going to continue to grow.
That's terrific. Thanks very much, Chad Williams, non-executive chairman of Honey Badger Silver. I'm Colin McClelland with the Northern Miner. Thank you for watching.